Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Aura frame not connecting to Bluetooth in 2026. Now on your Aura digital frame, Bluetooth is not basically used for photo transfer or pairing. Aura frames work mainly through the Wi-Fi or the Aura application on your phone. So if you are trying to connect it via Bluetooth, it is not going to work as of 2026. So this is the most common confusion that people have when they purchase Aura digital frame. They just try to connect it via Bluetooth, but that's not how Aura frame works. You can basically connect it again via Wi-Fi or via the Aura application. So instead of Bluetooth, you can connect your frame using Wi-Fi. For that, you need to simply open the Aura application and follow simple setup process. Just make sure that your phone and the frame are on the same network when you are basically in the setup process. So once the connection is established, all the photo transfer happen through the internet. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.